For the victory lap though. Whoa, whoa, they ain't never seen nothing like this before. Lit the room when I came through the front door. Ask me if I should overcome, what for? Train in the trees, please pardon my sycamore. Touch burning sands, cross lands and stormy shore seasons in the year, yeah. Ain't no challenge for champions and chain no fear. Yup, the champ is here, switch gears.
This is our 1963 Justified GMC long bed 3/4 ton pickup truck. We did something unique on this truck, and we left the patina paint job and shot a clear coat over it, preserving the 50-year-old paint job. But everything else about this truck is brand new. We did a Crate 350 700 R4 transmission. We painted the engine bay, painted the interior, brand new upholstery on the interior, and everything else we went through and upgraded on this truck. We did 4-wheel disc brakes, vintage AC, Dakota digital instrument cluster, low car shifter. This truck runs, drives just like a brand new truck with that classic patina look on it. So follow along some of the processes we went through on this build and enjoy the video. So Bob and Nancy bought this truck brand new back in 1963, and they actually used it in building of the Rock Creek Mobile Home Park here in Auburn, California. The truck has been in the family the entire life of the truck, which is unique for how old this truck is. And there's a lot of history and a lot of stories that go along with all the dings and dents, and I think the patina paint job is going to bring a great opportunity for the family to go back and think about their childhood and all the stories that they have going camping, and they're going to really enjoy this.
So on the 1963 GMC, we have Dakota digital gauges, vintage AC, original steering wheel, old school levelers in the dash that were there when we originally picked up the truck, color matched visors, color matched carpet, retro sound stereo, has Bluetooth, all that. Woo!
So something unique we did for this truck is we installed a brand new wood bed, but we patinaed it. So the wood is obviously all poly coated so that it can preserve and last a long time. And the brand new strips, we applied some morotic acid to give it that patina rusty look. So it matches the overall patina of the truck. Installing it went pretty smooth. The front of the bed was really rotted out, so we had to do a little bit of fabrication work to make it fit. But other than that, it looks great and matches the rest of the truck.
Hey guys, this is Murphy. Today I'm working on the 63 GMC. I'm going to be getting the rear disc brakes taken care of, then Bill's going to get the fuel tank in it and we'll be able to get it back to the customer.
Today we got this brand new fuel tank delivered to us, so let's open it up and see what we got.
Well, why didn't you say so?
My arm is rather stuck.
Because there's no handle.
Oh yeah.
Oh, the hood doesn't. Alright, no one started a car for a little bit.
I know, it's, all right. Great work.
Yep, anytime you're ready.
Action. Alright, this is the jump. I learned a long time ago, you fake it till you make it. You know, sometimes you just gotta give the people what they want. You ready? Are you rolling?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Okay, so hey, what's going on?
How about now? Yep. Oh my God.
The camera.
Hold on, I'm trying to get my composure. You make
It's
it so
just
intense.
raining on the camera.
Oh yeah, yeah.